Hello everyone! Welcome back! This is Robyn with mypinkstamper.com and I'm super excited to be with you today. I've taken a little bit of break. It's my children's last couple weeks of school. We actually only have a couple days left, so we've been super packed with school activities and sports and lots of fun things. So I'm jumping in today with a sneak peek of one of our upcoming stamp sets called Over the Moon. This is one of my favorites because I love the punny animal sets. I've always loved punny animals, using puns. And so I'm really excited about this cow set. And I love this because you can color it in if you want, but you actually don't have to color this in either. So we'll go ahead and jump right in and get started. If you're new to my YouTube channel and my videos, welcome. I hope you have a wonderful time with me today and you learned something new. You can order this starting June 4th at noon on my shopping page, mypinkstamper.stampinup.net. Everything else is available right now on my shopping page. All right, so we are going to start with this piece of Whisper White cardstock, and I actually am using our thick Whisper White cardstock. And I'm going to pull out this cute little cow doing the splits. I can't even do the splits, but this cow can do the splits. So we'll make a cute card with that. And I'm using the little bubble with the heart. And then I'm going to use the saying that says, dream big, because this cow is certainly dreaming big today. And let me get these on our blocks. These are the clear mount blocks. Just going to put them right on here. And now my little cow is ready to go. So I'm going to be cutting this cow out with our layering circles framelits. And I'm going to go ahead and stamp and color first. It's just easier, a little bit easier. I'm using, and we have a thunderstorm going outside. Can you guys hear that? That's thunder and lightning, which it's welcome spring, right? It's been raining the last week, which is fine. I'd rather have a great start to our summer with a lot of moisture because we had all those fire scares here last year. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stamp that. And I'm gonna stamp the Dream Big. Do I have it backwards? No. Okay, just kind of close by right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this off to the side. I'm going to be punching that out with one of our punch circle punches. Now it's time to pull out our Stampin' Right markers. These come in all of the colors that we carry in our catalog. They come in sets with the family. So I'm using a couple different sets here. This set is from our Brights collection, and this is from our Neutrals collection. So I'm going to start with the Melon Mambo, and I'm going to use the brush tip. You have the brush tip and the fine tip, and these are great for all sorts of projects and scrapbooking and bag making. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of pink in the ears, on the ears. Put that away. I'm going to take the Daffodil Delight, just make a little, color the bell in really quickly. And now I'm going to take Smoky Slate, and the Smoky Slate, I'm just going to do the spots. You can also use, the reason I chose to use our Stampin' Right markers instead of our Stampin' Blends is we don't have Melon Mambo. We don't have Melon Mambo yet in the blends, so I wanted to be able to use that. Okay, wow, it's really storming out there. Two of my children will be coming home on the bus soon. So that'll be a fun walk from the bus stop. All right, I'm just going to add a little bit of, this is the basic gray. I'm just going to do just the tail a little bit. All right, I've done all my coloring. I can set that aside. I'm taking our 1 1/4 inch circle punch, and I'm going to go ahead and just punch this out. Right there, ta-da. And then now I'm going to set that aside. And I'm going to pull out our Big Shot. and I'm going to use our framelits. So these are from Layering Circles, and I'm going to go ahead and use the smaller one. It's a huge set. It has scallop circles, a bunch of smooth circles, and I'm using Melon Mambo cardstock with the larger of the two circles so they can layer together. I'm just going to put the cutting pad on top and just roll it through. Wow. I'm sorry for the background noise here. I don't even know if you can hear it, but I'm pretty sure you can. Okay, so I have one circle. I don't even have my garbage can over here. It's over on the other side of my table. And then I have the smaller one. All right, now I'm going to use our basket weave embossing folder. And I'm going to grab a piece of our basic gray cardstock. This is cut at 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And this is one of our dynamic impressions embossing folder. So it's thicker and it gives a deeper impression. And if you wet the paper with just a spray bottle first, it gives an even deeper impression. That's a fun fact. All right, get this out of my way, and now I can just finish up this fun card. Look at this. Look at how fun this is. And the great thing about our embossing folders is you can use both sides. So if you want this to be your background, it could be, or you can have this. So my card base is a piece of our smoky slate cardstock. This is cut at 5 1/2 by 8 1/2 inches. And I'm going to go ahead and just fold this in half. And I'm using our bone folder tool right here to give it a nice tight crease. Now I'm going to start layering up. This is our Melon Mambo cardstock again. This is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4. I'm going to take our snail adhesive, and I am very generous with my adhesive. I just like to make sure it's nice and stuck down. Now I'm using the embossing the paper that I just embossed, the cardstock, and I want to make sure that I put the adhesive on all 4 sides pretty close to the edge. And this will help so it doesn't pop up and it lays nice and flat. Put that right here. And I kind of just fold it like this while I'm putting it on so it stays nice and flat. We'll go ahead and layer up our cute cow. So adorable. And if you don't want to wait until June 4th to order this stamp set, you can get it right now by joining my team of pink stampers for $99. You get to choose $125 worth of product, and you can choose this stamp set in your starter kit. And then you have a discount on all your future purchases, which is fun. And just being a part of my team we have a good time. All right, I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to use our Stampin' Dimensionals. I'm just going to use, I was just going to use 3. Now I'm going to use 4. I'll just put 1 in the middle of that one real quick. And then we're going to finish up this super adorable card. I love using, I think gray is obviously my favorite neutral color. Gray and sparkles, right? If sparkles is a neutral color, that would be mine. But I love how this is turning out, or this has turned out. And this cow is just thinking, dreaming big. And here's another card that I made. So there's your quick video for today. I hope you have a wonderful day. And if you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my video tutorials. Don't forget to click the little notification bell so you'll be notified when I have a new video for you. You can also find me over at mypinkstamper.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.